Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anala Fashion. Today's tutorial we are going to be making this circle skirts. Stay tuned and let's get straight to the tutorial. So I'm making use of 2 yards of African print fabric, pieces of chalk, a pair of scissors, a zipper, and then a measuring tape. Okay, so the 2 yards, I'm going to open up the fabric like this. I'll open it up and then I'm going to fold it with the widest part. I'm going to fold it with the widest part like this. So this is what I mean. I'll fold it equally like this. Then I'll make sure the border meets each other equally like this. The borders are meeting each other equally like this. Then I'll fold again like this. Make sure you watch carefully how I'm folding the fabric. So this is it. I didn't fold the second one equally because of the length of the skirt. This is a short skirt. So your length will determine how you fold this. And I don't want to be joining the hem of the skirt. Okay. All right. Now it's left for us to get the radius. Now to get the radius, I'm going to divide my waist circumference, which is 28. I will add 1 inch for zipper allowance to it. So that makes 29. Then I'm going to divide it by 6.28, which is the formula for getting your radius. Okay, so that's what I'm going to mark all around. 6.28. So that is 29 divided by 6.28. So I had about 4.6 inches. 4.6 inches. So that's exactly what I'm marking. I'll go ahead and give it a curve like this. I'll give it a curve like this. Alright, now the length of the skirt is 20 inches. The length of my skirt is 20 inches. I'll be making use of a waistband of 2.5 inches long. So I'm going to subtract that from the length of the skirt. So that will give us about 17.5 inches. Then I'm going to add half inch for the hem allowance. Half inch to fold the hem up. So that will make it 18 inches. I hope you understand. The length of the skirt is 20 minus waistband of 2.5. That gives us 17.5. Okay. Now, as you can see me, I went up on the waist circumference half inch. This is going to be for the um, seam allowance or yeah, the seam allowance to join the waistband. Oh, I'm sorry, the camera couldn't capture the end of this. Okay, so at the second or the main radius, which is the waist circumference, I'm going to go round with it with 18 inches, which is our current length of the skirt. That is the 17.5 inches plus the half inch. So that is what I'm using my measuring tape to take round to mark it to get the circle. So I'll go ahead and connect the point together to create the circle. All right. Okay, so that is it. That is it. I'm going to go ahead and then cut this out like this. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell as well. And please do share this video to others to watch as well. And kindly leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this tutorial or you didn't understand anything. Okay, so I've cut the hem out. So I'm going to cut out the radius or the waist as well. So here we have our sketch ready. This is how it looks like for the base. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'll put this aside and get the waistband. Now remember our the waist circumference, like I said earlier, is 28 inches. So I'm going to add seam allowance or the zipper allowance to it to cut that out. So I'm going to make it about 30 inches long. And remember the length of the waistband, as I said earlier, is 2.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and then add half inch for joining allowance or sewing allowance. So that will make it 3 inches on fold, 3 inches. Okay. So as I said, for the length or the waist circumference, which is 28 plus the 1 inch um sorry, zipper allowance, making it 29. I added extra 1 inch to make it 30. Okay, so that's what I'm cutting out, the waistband. All right, so here we have our waistband as well. I'm going to first of all put the waistband aside and then um work on the hem of the skirt. So this is how it will look like. This is how you're going to be joining the waistband. Okay, so for the hem of the skirt, remember we added half inch for the hem. So first of all, fold about quarter inch and then fold again quarter to um to join it all around the circle skirt. So this is what I mean. On the wrong side like this, I'll fold in half sorry, quarter, and then I'll fold in again quarter. Then I'll place it under my sewing machine and join it all around like this. Okay, so this is how it came out after stitching down the hem of the skirt. This is how it turned out. Okay, now it is time for me to join the waistband. But before I do that, I'm going to pick up any side, just one side of the skirt, fold it up like this, and I'm going to slit it open like this so that we'll be able to um, get our zipper allowance and then add our zipper to the skirt. So this is it. Remember, this is a 360-degree skirt. That is why it is full and it didn't have any cuts at any side of the skirt. Now I'm going to join the waistband to the skirt. This is beginner friendly. So I'm just going to join the waistband straight to the skirt. So as I folded the waistband like this, I'm going to place it on the right side. I'll place the waistband on the right side of the skirt like this. And I'm going to join it with half of an inch seam allowance all the way to the end of the waist circumference. Now let's do that. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out after joining the waistband to the skirt. I'm just measuring. I just took the measurement to make sure it is 20 inches long. Okay, so that is it. We are going to be attaching the zipper to it like this. So I'll take the side which has the slits, and I'm going to remeasure my waist circumference or my waist measurement. Okay, so the zip is about 8 inches long. So I'm going to mark like 6.5 or 6 3/4 inches like this. Okay, to be able to cross it when I'm stitching upward while attaching the zipper. So I remeasured the waist circumference, which is 28 by 4, sorry, by 2. That gives me 14 inches. So that is me retaking the measurements like this. Meaning we are going to, meaning I'm going to start stitching at where I've marked the 6 3/4 inch where the zipper is going to be. I'm going to stitch it downward like this. So I just pin where we are going to be attaching the zipper, then stitch it stitch here downwards like this. Let's do that and come back. So first of all, double stitch and then stitch downward. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and please do share this video to others. And then leave a comment if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, or you have a question or you didn't understand anything. Okay? Now, after stitching down the zipper allowance, I'm going to be fixing the zipper. First of all, I'm going to turn the skirt to the right side of the garment, like so. Then I'll take out the pins. I'll take out the pins at where we're going to be fixing the zipper. So this is the zipper. I've folded in one side of the zipper allowance like this, and I'm going to um, flip the zipper, the top of it in like this. Then I'm going to place it under my zipper. As you can see, I've opened the zip a bit. Then I'm going to first of all double stitch. Then I'll continue to stitch downward up to where uh, the zipper opening stops. Okay, so this is it. I'll stitch downward like this. Please kindly follow what I'm doing, the steps, and be able to make this. This is a very simple beginner friendly tutorial. Okay, so I'm just trying to open up the zip a bit to create more space. I'm closing it up like this. Then I'll stitch it down up to where the zipper slit is, or where it ends, before I cross over to the other side of the skirt. Okay, so I'll cross over to the other side of the slit like this, and I'm going to stitch upward. I'm going to stitch the zipper upward, as you can see me doing. Now I'm going to go ahead to trim off the excess of the thread, and this is how the skirt came out. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Subscribe, like, share. Bye.